Hey, how's it going, everybody? Today we got for sale a 2017 Infiniti QX30 all-wheel drive 2.0 turbo. As you can see, it's not the body, it's black, so it's going to show a little bit of minor chips and some faint scratches here and there, but overall it's in really good shape. We just serviced it, fresh oil change, drives really good. Tires, you can see, have tons of tread left on them. There is some, again, on this door here, just some really faint light scratches, but overall it's in great shape. Some rock chips on the hood. Somebody was highway driving. Go ahead and check out the inside. See, it has a nice back seat, has leather, a little bit of wear here on the seat cushion, heated seats. Go ahead and crank her up. She has 101,000 miles, 101,573. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have an Infiniti or you have another vehicle, foreign or domestic luxury vehicle, definitely give us a shout. Try to help you out in our repair shop. Thank you for checking out this video.